when we are in the present tense, we use the word word, multiple scope. Okay, so what I want us to do first is definitely the teenwoordige sentence, which is the present tense. Present tense. Then scope die. So that will be our subject. This will be verb 1, and die bal would be the object. So what do the rules say? The rules say we need to start with finding the object. So finding the object, die bal. And that's what we're going to start with, die bal. Then second rule says find the tense or identify the tense. We can see here that the tense is present tense. And what do we do when we are in the present tense? We use the word word. So this will be our verb 1. So now we have die bal word. So this is now going to be our verb 1. And then the rules say that you must add a dir. Dir means by. So now we changed it. We started with the object, but now we have to say the object is being done by who, right? So then you're going to say dir and then the subject. So the subject here is Ben. So now you're at die bal word dir Ben. If you follow this exact recipe, your answer will never be wrong.